Hi, my name is Ms. Horn, and I want to welcome you to Accounting 1. I also want to show you how to navigate through this course. So first you see that there is a home page, and it has my contact information, my phone, my email, my virtual office hours. If you have any questions, feel free to text the Google Voice number or message me. It comes right to my phone, and I can respond immediately. Once you get done with the home page, you can notice that there are modules. So in the modules, you'll go in order. So first you'll complete the online orientation module, then you'll complete the important course information module, and then you will get to the course material. So once you get to the chapter modules, here's chapter 1. So you'll go in order. You have the chapter 1 PowerPoint. Well, first you have the learning objectives and my lecture. And then a lot of these other items are where I go into more detail about different topics. And you'll have video quizzes for those topics. And then you'll see the chapter 1 Cengage homework. So when you get to the videos where I go into more detail, it will have a video quiz, and this is just basically to test your knowledge and let you interact with me in the course. And so you can kind of go through this in order just to make sure that you're understanding each topic. So if we scroll on down, I don't believe you have one in chapter 1. But if you scroll on down to chapter 2, you'll have what's called either a walkthrough assignment or a guided practice. And in these assignments, this is where you click on the video and you work along with me. So we work together, kind of like a guided practice, or you'll see later on that I have some titled walkthrough. So these are things where you're going to watch the video and work it with me. When you're doing these walkthrough assignments, you'll open a spreadsheet and you can either work the spreadsheet in Excel or you can print it off and work it on paper, and then you will submit the assignment either as a file upload if you're using Excel, or if you're writing it on paper, you would submit it as a photo. So you can think of these assignments as like if we were in class, me handing you a worksheet to practice alongside with me. It will be the same thing as that. And as you can see, the modules are broken down by chapter. So for chapter 2, for example, all the assignments are due in the same week, but there will be chapters that are longer where some of the assignments will be due the following week. So the chapters, the modules are not broken down into weeks, they're broken down into chapters. If you want to see what's due each week, you can see that in the course calendar. Let me talk about Cengage homework, for example. So when you work Cengage homework, you can click on Show Me How, check my work, and you have unlimited checks to check your homework. Because this is when you're learning how to do the problems and you're working on your end of chapter exercises. The adaptive study plan is also Cengage, and this is also going to test your knowledge, but it's going to kind of use more like a test bank type format. So the Cengage homework is going to teach you how to do the problems, and then the adaptive study plan is going to test your knowledge in multiple choice type format to make sure that you learned the concepts. When you combine those two together, that is when you will become proficient in accounting. And then sometimes at the end you'll see a Kahoot or a Quizlet, and this is just extra practice to help you make sure that you understand the material and the terminology. And you'll have non-proctor tests, and you just have to take these. You can take these anytime before the due date. And then you'll also have 2 proctored exams, and you will schedule these through Smarter Proctoring. You can, when you click on Smarter Proctoring on the left, you can schedule it in a lab, or you can take it virtually. And I have some information about the virtual testing guidelines, and you would also have to check with the testing center to see their guidelines. If you choose to schedule it to take it at home virtually, there will be a fee for that, but either way, you're going to go to Smarter Proctoring to schedule your test. And I encourage you to look on the home page or in the course calendar at the dates and go ahead and schedule it now, because the time slots will fill up very fast. Okay, if you want to access your bookshelf, you will click on your bookshelf to the left here, and it will open your book. So you'll click on Read Now, and it has a table of contents, and you can look up each chapter. And so here are your chapters, and you can click on the chapter and it even will break it further down into sections. And also I wanted to show you that the exercises that are in Cengage are also in your textbook. So it may be easier for you to actually go in here and look at the exercises in your textbook. So you may prefer to go through your exercises at the end of your textbook and work them on paper, and then put them into your homework and click on Check Your Work. So feel free to work it that way if you think that will work better. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to getting started. Have a good day.